Daniel, did you have a practical element that you wanted to introduce for everyone?
Yes, for me, I would like to actually to give you a very important thing that will make big difference, for your journal as a trader. And just try. It's many tools online, free tools that you can use. It's just try to recording yourself. If you are on a trading floor with other traders, obviously it's more difficult than you actually have to have a checklist. It's better to do that way. But if you can actually recording yourself, because you are at home and you are alone and you can do that, on your back testing as well, actually your back testing is quite important. And when you're trading your real accounts then as well. So recording yourself and talk, just talk, just say things. You don't need to spend a lot of time writing down journalists, did that, thinking this, I did that, and make 100 lines of thinking and thinking. They just talk about it. Just think what you're thinking at that moment. How do you feel all the time? Talk about that. Just moving that way. And then do that for only, let's keep it at 1 week. It's not much, not much work, 1 week. Normally I would say 1 month. That's the idea way of time off. If you can do 1 month, that's better. But let's say that you minimum you can do this for 1 week, and then try to review that week of working to that particular exercise and see what is coming after. You can come in to me and say to me, okay, I have done this and this has happened. This is good. This is bad. I didn't like this. I didn't like what I can do about this and that. Just let me know if it's been improved. Your strategy, it will be synchronized, or you will find patterns of yourself that will help you to synchronize into your own strategy. Let me know what happened after that. Just 1 week, minimum, 1 month, perfect.
Yeah, so you can message Daniel privately of your findings, or you can share with everyone in the discussion forum. So this recording and all other recordings are in a discussion forum, which there's a quick shortcut link on the platform you'll see as recorded webinars. So in there, you're welcome to share your findings. And if you have any questions, you're welcome to ask them in that discussion. And I'll be able to see those. Daniel will be able to see those. So it'll be great if you can make a contribution there so that others can benefit from it. Hopefully that you have found some value, some insights, and you have a practical exercise now to commit to this week. And hopefully you've got something to discuss in the accountability team meetings. This is, again, your space to grow, your space to develop, and also be able to do it other traders who are looking for that consistency in their trading. So thanks again, and enjoy the rest of your afternoon or morning or evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you, Daniel, for co-hosting with me.
No worries. Thank you very much. Very good. Well done, guys. Speak to you soon.
Bye.